they think it's crazy that I get in a cage and I fight another man for an extended period of time and I try to hurt him and he tries to hurt me. I think it's crazy that a person wants to sit down at a desk for 10 hours a day, get paid $10 an hour for 25 years of their life. I think that's crazy. I'm pretty sure I'd die doing that. I'd commit suicide if my life was that boring.
So what's your name?
Oh, I'm Jordan Leavitt.
Yeah. And what's your record in MMA?
I am 1-0 as an amateur mixed martial artist.
Awesome. What was your first memory of mixed martial arts, or just martial arts in general?
I was ditching a wrestling tournament my freshman year, and I didn't want to go. And then I turned on the TV, and there was the Ultimate Fighter marathon, and I was like, "Whoa, this is bad A. Like, I could do this. This doesn't look too hard." And then like the next month, I started going to the gym, and I kind of ran with it. Yeah, 15.
15 was your first class?
Yeah.
What first class did you take?
I took jiu-jitsu.
And?
It was nerve-wracking. They were telling me, they told me lay on my back. I came from wrestling, I'm like, I'm not gonna lay on my back. That means I'm losing. But I got used to it. After the first class, I liked it more than wrestling. I just sort of enjoyed it. My first competition was when I was trained for about 5 months. It was a jiu-jitsu tournament, NAGA, North American Grappling Association, and my first match I got wrecked. Totally embarrassed. I wanted to cry after I lost. I've never been embarrassed in that kind of way, and I ended up getting third at that tournament. But yeah, it was definitely a mixed experience. Yeah.
Work! Snap, clear, body face.
So you know your opponent's name?
Yeah, AJ Smith.
And his style?
He's like a 6'1" southpaw. Very tall for the weight class.
Have a game plan for this fight specifically?
Yeah, take him down. He just fought for the amateur Muay Thai title, so I think I can beat him on the feet, but I'm probably just going to take him down and tap him out, hopefully the first round, and I can go home.
Up and separate. There you go, good. Up again, up again. There you go.
Okay, you're gonna...
Have you guys been to Philosophy yet? Flip a lot easier, it's more realistic, I think, than when people come in shoes, headgear, rash guard. It's just different. I think my car's over here. But yeah, I don't like to train with my shoes.
Yeah. You fight barefoot, you train barefoot.
Mm-hmm.
What's it like fighting or wrestling in a cage as opposed to just an open mat? Like, what can you do in the cage that's different than just normal wrestling, like in high school?
In high school, if you back someone up, they walk out of the circle, you restart. But in the cage, they're trapped against the cage, and you have a lot more time to work, and it's harder for them to escape. I enjoy the cage.
Like the cage?
Yeah,
Awesome.
it's way easier to trap people.
Shots. Let those snap down.
God damn, I just threw my own and he's still coming. Like, that's why, like, with Don and everybody, they fucked me up. But I keep coming and he's, oh man, that's discouraging because, you know, I thought you were the hardest shit I got and he's still coming. You know, a lot of motherfuckers crumble right there. They get hit. Oh, I'm done. Like, shit's crazy.
University's personal arts transfer credit evaluation, you'll quickly learn where you stand on the path to your future career. It'll show you how much college credit you'll receive for past education and work experience, saving you time and money. Click on our banner to get started. Kaplan University, a nationally ranked online institution.
Yeah.
Where you at, Jordan?
159, well, I mean 145.8.
How does your bath feel so far?
It sucks.
It sucks.
Yeah.
And Lee
It's
said-
weird, like my entire body's wet, and my face isn't underwater, but it's like soaked too, because I'm just sweating. My
and-
heart's beating, I can feel my heartbeat in the water, like boom, boom, boom. So, it kind of sucks, but I have like 5 more of these to take, so.
Have you decided that maybe these aren't healthy?
That's not healthy. I think I decided that when I looked at the scale today and I had 12 pounds. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to lose 12 pounds in one day, but you know, I'm not a nutritionist.
And how many pounds do you think you lose off of one bath?
2.5, 3 pounds.
So how many did you say you take?
Probably take 5, because I'm gonna eat dinner probably. Then I'll have to sweat out that. Drink a good bottle of water, I'll have to sweat out that. Just gotta take my time. Don't wanna just be sitting around for 12 hours tomorrow.
So you do drink water before the weigh-in? There are a lot of
Yeah.
fighters that don't drink water. They literally
Yeah, a lot of people starve
dehydrate
themselves. They don't drink, they don't eat. I'm just eating really little, drinking a little, just enough to stop me from getting cotton mouth and like stop me from getting bloated. I'm not gonna have like a steak tonight, but you know, a kiwi's just as good, I guess.
So how much weight do you think you lost in this bath, and how do you feel now?
I hope I lost at least 2. If I haven't lost at least 2, it's gonna be a long 24 hours. I don't know in a second.
Do you have an accurate scale?
It's a little heavy.
A
So I make weight on my scale. I should be pretty safe on most scales.
How long was this bath, and how long are your next baths going to be?
This one was like 45 minutes. I think they're all going to be about 45 minutes. Next 4 or 5. It's going to be a long 24 hours. I know how to get there, don't worry.
You have to direct me.
That's gone, I got it. So I'm 147 of all my clothes on. You think I'm good?
Yes.
Okay.
We're going to get you guys up on the scale in just a second. If you didn't get your tickets yet, they are $25 today, $35 tomorrow.
You all right?
I feel like I'm dying.
Yeah?
I'm weighing in 5 minutes, and then I'm going to chug this.
Good.
I'm going to wait an hour and
If you
chug
don't have them, get them. If your friends, family don't have them, tell them to get it. We got a stacked card for you. How many points do we have?
They were annoying me. They're like, we need Jim's address. I'm like, I don't know that.
All right, up next on the scale, out of the blue corner from Syndicate MMA, Las Vegas, Nevada, the featherweights, Jordan Leavitt.
Go ahead, you want to face that direction, unless you want to take pictures of your back. Let's stop moving. 145.2.
145.2 for Jordan Leavitt.
Move to the left a little bit.
Oh, Romero's Elvis.
Yes, sir. Did you drink that whole thing?
Yeah.
You've done that fast.
Yeah, I'm done. Pretty good. I feel a million times better.
The evening, the Tuff-n-uff featherweight division. Up next, making their way out of the blue corner tomorrow night, fighting out of Syndicate MMA, Las Vegas, Nevada. 4 wins, 1 loss. Caleb Contreras.
Awesome. He's the main event. That's awesome. I felt like a brick moving my stomach as soon as I ate a few things and drank a little bit of lemonade. Felt like my entire system just started back up again. It was weird. My legs have been cold for like 12 hours. Now I feel like they're warm again. Yeah, through the legs. But yeah, everybody gets so upset when they lose to me. If you don't see me, well, I get like, when Caleb armbarred me. Oh
Yeah, but we'll chalk that up to being lucky. He had a glove on.
Yeah. Oh, I just feel so great. Oh, God. It feels like the first time.
All right, what day is it, Jordan?
Fight day. Fight night. Yeah. Super excited.
How do you feel?
I feel great. I feel the best I felt like in 2 weeks. I'm not hungry or thirsty. I got to eat all I wanted.
Regenerated for your weight cut?
Yeah, I gained 21 pounds since yesterday.
Nice.
Yeah.
All from fluids, or have you eaten solid stuff?
Solids and fluid, mostly fluid though.
What'd you have for dinner?
Beans and rice.
Beans and rice.
And some Ritz crackers.
peanut butter, and some bread. Yeah, this is good. The only way he's gonna beat me is if he finishes me. I'm not gonna let him win a decision.
Do you ever do anything to like open up as a feeler? Like, do you ever like, oh, I gotta stick a stiff jab out there just to see what he does?
Front kick is my filler.
Front kick?
Yeah. A nice snappy front kick. Then I fake a takedown and front kick. And then I chain everything off of those things. Yeah, I'm gonna front kick him. And if he backs up, I'm gonna chop. I might throw a leg kick, even though I don't like throwing leg kicks. I'll throw it. I'm gonna kick him a lot today.
Nice.
Yeah. I hope he catches something. Hope he tries to take me down. Like, oh, I'll just take him down. No. Break him. I wanted to finish.
Favorite series in the middle.
Just like I'm wrestling, I was a pinner. Fighting, I want to be a finisher. I'll have great cardio, so if I ever go the distance, I'll have the advantage. But I want to finish everybody. Finishes are more exciting.
All their boys. Thumb or no thumb? Anybody from out here, anybody out here is going to be.
Hands up.
Hands up, lots of movement. Level changes, mix it up. Keep this kid guessing the whole time. You're good. You're good wherever you want to be. There's no place that I don't feel where I'm like, okay, you're not comfortable. Now, if you hear me start calling for something, it's because if I start, okay, let's start looking for the takedown. It doesn't mean run in and shoot, try to take him down, and keep it set up, you know? Yeah. Yeah, probably.
Let me know if you need anything.
Las Vegas, Nevada, Jordan Leavitt. His opponent sits across the cage in the red corner with 1 win and no loss. Fighting out of fight capital, Las Vegas, Nevada, AJ Smith. Referee in charge of the action inside the cage is Mark Smith.
Jordan Leavitt is wearing the black trunks with the gold lettering. AJ Smith is wearing the black trunks. Jab there for AJ Smith. Jordan Leavitt goes down, pops back in his feet. AJ Smith.
Right.
Nice big combination. Just firing his hands away.
Getting that those kicks too.
Fine, AJ Smith 6'1", 145. Jordan Leavitt looking to capitalize. He's a shorter man with that 8'6" guy for Kirk to get that fight to the ground. He does so. Jordan Leavitt in top position right now. 5'8", 155 pounds, 19-year-old. Dominant position. And AJ Smith is doing something in this spot.
You know, he's in side control right now, landing a shot or two, pushing his weight on top.
He's trying to put that knee on that belly. You see the knee on the belly there? That's a key. He's going to try to scoop that left one over. Full mount position. AJ Smith doing a nice job. What's been happening? He's inside half guard right here.
Doing a good job. That belly on knee doesn't look like much, but it doesn't feel great when you're on the receiving end.
So here's the thing with the belly. It's going to push down. Oh my God! Jordan Leavitt is landing big shots right now. Here's the thing about the belly. It's going to push down on the diaphragm. It's going to make it incredibly hard to breathe. As a result, it's going to take more wind out of it, quite literally. And as a result, you see Jordan Leavitt is really capitalizing on this opportunity in the top position. He is raining down some shots right now. He's still in the half guard position. AJ Smith is trying to get back into his feet. So far, overwhelmed by Jordan Leavitt.
He's really Smith doing a good job there on the bottom, trying to minimize the damage.
10 seconds.
Oh, Vanderlei Silva slaps to the side of the head. And looking for the arm.
Oh, saved by the bell. Give me those $5.
Big shout out to Bellator superstar Maurice Jackson in the house tonight. Hanging out.
AJ Smith,
Mayhem
tough
in
fighter.
Mesquite
Obviously,
6. Bringing the finish line.
saw the back.
Mayhem in Mesquite.
Got away. It's much taller. Rush right fighter.
He's got to use that distance. He's got to use that reach advantage to his advantage.
But forget the reach on the ground.
Look at this. Look at that transition. Had he gone for it 5 seconds earlier,
does Jordan Leavitt look like a guy who's fighting in the front row?
No.
Of course he does. He looks like a high-level professional fighter. That's what we see from all of these individuals. Jordan Leavitt is 19 years old. 19 years old.
He's taking some deep breaths there.
Martial arts.
You know, he's get on camera with big
Cage door is closed. Round number 2 is underway. 2 minutes on the clock. Jordan Leavitt, black trunks, gold lettering. AJ Smith is black trunks. AJ Smith is 6'2". This fight was a ground game. So far, it's been all Jordan Leavitt. Comes a big takedowns. Side control there. Leavitt.
He's looking for that arm already. He's looking for that arm.
He's hunting for it. He's got it sewn up. He extends. He's trying to push it back. He's trying to lock it up right now. Lean back. This looks like it could be it. He's got it fully extended. He's got, oh my God, that arm. That's it. That's it. AJ Smith refused to tap. The referee had to step in. Unless I missed it.
No, he
tapped. Okay.
He did. It was a little tap there at the end, but AJ Smith.
That arm was about to break.
Mark Smith on top of that, and there we see a splits. You don't see that very often. But I don't know if it's more impressive, that arm bar or that splits. Either or. Great job.
Jordan Leavitt. Just phenomenal. Now, when you have a trainer like John Boyd, and you're still able to fight like that, it's really something.
Very impressive.
just the end. So what he's trying to do there, he's trying to crank that arm back. You see, he's got it here, and AJ's refuses to tap. It's still refusing to tap. That arm is
Finally,
so fully extended.
there was, I mean,
barely. Here we go.
It's into the second round. Your winner by tap out due to armbar, Jordan Leavitt.
Tell you what, man, we are seeing some great fighting tonight here at Mesquite.
It's the future stars of MMA, Dave. Of course we're seeing great fights tonight.
The 135-pound bantamweight division is coming up next, and we have got more great fights on the way. As a matter of fact, we got 5 more.
And what are your goals for MMA in general? Where do you see yourself going?
I want to go pro. I want to do this for a living, train full time, and be the best I can be. And I don't know where that's going to lead me, but hopefully to a high place.